Hello, Chef here. Once again, another cutting board review. Wow, this is an awesome boost block right here. This one is called the barbecue board. It's reversible. It's made out of hard rock maple, made here in the USA. NSF certified. One side's perfectly flat. This one here is covered in plastic. It has not been used yet. But look at the beautiful wood grain. Look at the nice strips in there. It's perfectly clean and clear. I like it. You use this side right here for roasts or carving or meats. Even if you're vegan, that's okay. You can use one side for cooked vegetables and prep, and one side for raw. Flip it over. Okay, so a lot of people ask us about feet for the cutting board, and our sponsors got this exclusive. They have a company make these. These are like 2-inch diameter and they're about 1/2 inch thick. It's a non-slip hard rubber. No, it's actually medium hard rubber foot, and it's got a little bit of texture to the back as well. You can caulk these or glue these to the bottom, or simply set them on the bottom. It does many things. I'm going to go over just a few of them really quickly while we're at this here. First of all, I'm leveling the cutting board. That's kind of nice. It's going to allow air to flow below and around the cutting board. That's kind of nice. If you have granite or stone or other hard materials, it's going to keep it from sliding or wiggling around while you're cutting and chopping and prepping, doing your prep with this. Especially if you have a really nice knife. I got one here. Oh yeah. This baby's made in Germany. It's sweet fusion knife here. This is a fusion. This is by F.A. Porsche. I like it. So when you're doing your cutting and chopping and cooking, lefty or righty doesn't matter. This board will not wiggle or move when you have the rubber feet below it. Yeah, it's a good thing. Airflow, another good thing. Flipping it up, turning it over, reversible, another good thing. The list goes on and on and on. I'm going to go over one more thing here before I finish up. So besides being the best cutting board made right here, we've got the best treatments. These are food safe, NSF certified, good for you, doesn't hurt you at all. This has got a lot of beeswax in it. I like it. Mystery oil, food grade mineral oil. Wow. Safe for all food service surfaces. Use it on your block, use it on your counter, use it on your island. Yeah, the good stuff. Your sponsors got them on sale, and they're in stock right there. Check it out. Do us a favor and watch the chef's other videos. There's so much good stuff going on here. Subscribe right here. Hit that little chef down there and watch some of the other videos. Knife reviews, recipes, baking, cooking, all kinds of different barbecue tips and tricks. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. Select hard rock maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh, on a side note, Some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off. just with the look and the color. Oh yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.